Hello, my beautiful people. This is Shreya Kaushik and a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm super excited to be a part of Success Gyan Superspeaker Season 2, India's first ever reality show curated to impact and inspire the community. So what does success means to me? See, everyone has a different perception about success. To someone, it's just about getting a good job, and to someone, it's about getting into a good college. To someone, it's about expanding their forefathers' business, and to someone, it's about launching their own new startup. To someone, it's just about getting good food for their children and seeing that beautiful smiles on their faces. And to someone who's going through an emotional and a mental turmoil, it's just about being in that one particular moment of happiness and contentment. As I said, success has different meanings for everyone. So what does success means to me? To me, if I have a noble cause, that is success for me. If I have a noble goal and I work towards that goal, I take steps towards that goal, that is success for me. If I have a pure intention to make an impact into the society, that is success for me. And eventually, if I put a smile on someone's face, that is success for me. So that's how I measure my success. What is your story?